So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a Redbubble Q&A. This is going to be, I think, the 7th installment where I'm going to be answering your questions, helping you guys on the path to getting more Redbubble sales. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. If you happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. And if you didn't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide for anyone starting out, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. So if you're interested in any of that, that will be linked down below. Jumping straight into it, the first question is coming from Sarah and it says, can I use the same PayPal account on both Redbubble and TeePublic? And to answer this one simply, yes. You don't have to worry about using different accounts. They won't close anything. Yeah, the same account is feasible on both. I also quickly want to say I'm happy to see that you're using both Redbubble and TeePublic. A lot of people tend to just stick to one platform. Next, we have Entrepreneur saying, hi bro, I'm from Asia and India. Does Redbubble suspend the account of Asian artists? Can I upload 5 designs a day or will Redbubble suspend this? I mean, a lot of people have been coming at me asking very similar questions since I started posting Redbubble videos on YouTube. And I mean, from my understanding, I do know that there's a lot of people from Asia, specifically India, that watch my videos that haven't had too many problems with accounts getting taken down. So your account shouldn't get taken down, but if it does get to a point where you create an account, you upload non-trademark designs and it gets taken down, one thing you may want to do is to get in contact with Redbubble. The second thing you may want to do is maybe even potentially use a VPN to somewhat change your location. Next up, we have Gabriel Akon saying, great content, but how do you find these niches to create these designs so easily? Now, this was a question that was asked on my top 10 trends of the week videos. If you don't check them out, there'll be a link down in the description to the playlist for anyone interested in that. However, in terms of finding the niches for that, and now mainly use Merch Informer, mainly because with Merch Informer, you can get a range of information in regards of what's performing really well, what's not doing so well. Merch Informer takes information from Amazon. Obviously, Amazon is the best online marketplace, and from my experience with using Merch Informer, it's been doing well for me. Plus, it helps me to avoid the whole situation with spam taggers, because a lot of spam taggers don't use Merch Informer. Hence why when I find low competition niches through there, they're usually really good. Competition is usually very low and there's not too many people spam tagging. If you want more information on Merch Informer, there will be a link down in the description to a video where I went a little bit more in depth on that. Check that out if you want to know more about how to use it and how to also get niches and ideas in the same way that I do. Next up, we have Vital saying, I know having a particular niche is important. However, I've been unable to decide on just one niche and now have multiple types of quotes and designs in my shop. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. If you ask me, this is actually a really good thing. For anyone who's starting out on Redbubble or who's creating their first shop, trying to put ideas together, trying a lot of different things helps, mainly because after trying a variation of niches, you can then see which niche works best for you. Never start off by creating only one niche store, because that niche may potentially fail and you could potentially waste a lot of time that could have been put into research for seeing what actually works best for you. So as for the comment from Vital, keep doing what you're doing, and if one niche takes off, then start focusing more into that particular niche. Next, we have Sachin saying, I don't understand how to use this trending. Please reply. So they've said, can I use it after watching your videos, or how to find these types of trends? Please suggest. So I'm assuming that they've watched one of my top 10 trends of the week videos and now they're kind of confused as to how to find the trends. Now, there's various ways. I mean, earlier on, I mentioned Merch Informer, which is what I'm using. But on Redbubble, you can actually go onto the site, go in the search bar, and find trends that way as well. This is something I spoke about in the past before, but I'll quickly show you guys an example in case there's people new to the channel. It's very easy to get ideas using this. You know what, I'm going to zoom it in a little bit more so you guys can see the search bar. You want to come into the search bar, type a letter. Now when you type a letter, there would usually be 3 suggested keywords. Due to a lot of people kind of finding a loophole in the system with spam tags, you don't want to just go with the first thing that pops up. Now you want to try a variation of different letters after that to see if there's anything that comes up that is low competition without having too many people spam tagging. But if you really do want to avoid the hassle of going through competition of spam taggers, Merch Informer is definitely the way to go. Next up, we have a question from JLR saying, can all the designs we have uploaded to Redbubble be uploaded to other print-on-demand sites? Simple answer, yes. I would also definitely recommend this, mainly because it increases your chances of getting sales elsewhere and overall increasing the amount you can actually make through print on demand. Next, we have Steven, who actually commented at a certain point in the video saying, wait, how can you find out what the partner programs are that will allow you to make stuff in relation to things like Rick and Morty? Now, I have actually made a full video on that. I'll link it down in the description, but just to give you a quick tutorial on how to get onto the partner program style designs, or how to know what they are. You simply want to jump onto Redbubble, scroll to the very bottom. Now once you're here, you want to go into the section that says about, which is next to the shop section. Scroll down 1 2 3 4 5, well 1 2 3 so to the third option you see partner program. Once you click on partner program, it will take you to this section here. It'll show you some of the things they cover, and then if you read just below, it says are they more brands? Of course they are. Check out the entire list of brands currently engaged in the program. If you click that, then it will show you a list of all the things in the partner program, so you can literally do this in 10-15 seconds. I mean, I'm explaining it, so it's taking me a bit longer, but let's be honest, it's a 5-second job. And here we've got Saeed saying, should I just make only one design for the trending tags or topics? I mean, if one topic is trending now, how many designs should I make related to that topic to stand out? Now, when I make my top 10 trends of the week videos, I would say at first try to make one design for each trend, just to make sure that you've covered everything. And if you have your Redbubble account linked to your Google Analytics account, you'll be able to actually track the traffic to see out of the 10 which one is actually bringing you more clicks. From that information, you can then make more of the one that's bringing you the most clicks, either on that day or the day after. This is mainly how I go about deciding how to cover more ideas on a specific niche. And if you want to stand out, just make sure you're using big fonts, bold fonts, things that allow you to see your design without actually having to click on the listing, if that makes sense. All right, so if you've made it to this point of the video and you're still looking to see how to find trends very quickly yourself, check out this video here. Comment hashtag Q&A if you've made it to this point of the video, and drop your question as well. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.